is my hairdresser. Tell them your name.
Maria.
She's so good and so nice. I definitely recommend coming to National Beauty? National Beauty. It's so awesome. Okay guys, here's the final look. I love it so much. If you guys are ever in Portland, go visit Maria. She's so good. Thank you so much. I love it. Okay, so this clip's a little bit confusing. So basically my mom and I had this inside joke. So we were going to the hair salon and I was like really stressed out because we couldn't find one, and I was like looking on Yelp and seeing like where they were. We were originally gonna get our nails done, then they were like, oh, we're booked right now, so come back in like 45 minutes, and we were like, what are we gonna do? Oh my god, I am dying right now. And my mom was just like, oh, everything happens for a reason, don't worry about it. So I was like, okay. When I came out of the hair salon and I was like, oh my god, we just found like the perfect hair salon, perfect hairdresser. So since everything worked out, my mom was like, okay, you're gonna be laughing at dinner. And I made a joke before we filmed that clip. I was like, oh my god, Mom, I'm laughing right now, look, ha ha ha. And she was like, I'm gonna film a clip of you laughing coming out of the store. I think that'll be really funny. So then I was just like, okay. So yeah, we're laughing because everything happened for a reason, and we didn't even laugh at dinner time. We laughed before that. So little lesson to you guys, don't be stressed out about tiny things. Everything happens for a reason. Now I'm gonna go because the sun is really bright. Back to the video. Okay guys. Okay guys, so if you guys are ever in Portland and you need like a hairdo or something, please go to National Beauty. It's literally the best hair salon ever. I love it so much.
$5.25, it's $5.26.
Wow.
It will just happen.
It will just happen. I'll link Maria's Instagram down below so you guys can go follow her. And she's also thinking of making a YouTube channel, so stay posted for that.
Oh, wow.
To the coast. That coffee place looks so cute. They have a cute little sign with lights in it.
Look at the waves.
Look at this beach. It's so gorgeous. Oh, that made a good sound.
Super sweet and sugary. It says my latest squeeze. I think that's a squeeze, right? Okay. Raspberry dazzle. Oh.
Ooh, don't I look like your every like Pinteresty travel, travel gal? I look so Instagrammable. Hi, Dad. Catch up, Jesus. Has returned.
Dude, I actually look nice in this hat.
Oh my god. We found the same hat in Gurn Brothers in Portland. Guys, look at those trees. Oh.
I don't know. Those trees look pretty straight to me.
That was such a dad joke. So we found this like little nook place, and oh my god, my bangs look crazy. But we found this little nook place, and it has the rock like right in front of you. It's so cool. Okay, I'm like on someone's property right now, but they're like selling the home, so it's like fine, you can like look at it, but look at this view of the rock. Guys, I trespassed on other people's property to get this view. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Okay, now I gotta leave. I'm so scared. Oh my god, what if they see me? There's like a window right there. Ah. Hello everyone, so I just wanted to end the video. This weekend was just like a cute little weekend when my aunt came out Sunday night, and I just banged out all my homework, so that's good. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Okay, that was really big. What am I gonna say? I wanted to try like a different type of vlog style. Let me know if you like it. It was more of like a montage-y type of thing. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video. You don't know about me.